Welcome back, everybody, to the Nurtec DieCast Ramp Racing Series. Season 1, Race 8 is about to get underway here. Logo credit goes to N22L. Idea credit goes to NASCAR for Life. Let's jump right into it. Our first matchup is the 10 of Eric Almirola, the 77 of Justin Haley, the 99 of Daniel Suárez, and the 38 of Anthony Alfredo. Here they come. Suárez and Alfredo neck and neck for the lead. Haley and Almirola spinning toward the wall. Alfredo impacts the wall as well, and that'll be an easy win for the 99 of Daniel Suárez. Next up is the 18 of Kyle Busch, the 41 of Cole Custer, the 66 of Timmy Hill, and the 19 of Martin Truex Jr. Here they come. Timmy Hill has his nose out front. Truex is heading for the wall. It's going to be an easy win for Timmy Hill. Custer up and over after the finish, dug into the carpet. Next up is the 34 of Mike McDowell, the 14 of Chase Briscoe, the 96 of Ty Dillon, and the 7 of Corey LaJoie. Here they come. LaJoie out front early. He's heading for the wall, though. He impacts the wall. He goes up and over. Chase Briscoe's going to win. Hard crash for the 7. Take a look at the replay for this one. You see, he gets into the wall. He's already in the air. Then he gets hit by the 96, just thrown into the air. Comes across the line upside down in third. Next up is the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 2 of Brad Keselowski, the 48 of Alex Bowman, and the 3 of Austin Dillon. Here they come. Crafton and Bowman in the early lead. They're both spinning toward the wall. They're both in the wall. Dillon and Keselowski cross the line neck and neck. Who got it? Another look at it will confirm the 3 car of Austin Dillon beating out Brad Keselowski. Dillon is going to move on into the next round. Next up is the 43 of Eric Jones, the 51 of Cody Ware, the 42 of Ross Chastain, and the 8 of Tyler Reddick. Here they come. Chastain with the lead, but he's getting turned by Reddick. Ware is getting turned by Eric Jones. Chastain looks like he got the back bumper across the line. He'll move on. Next up is the 78 of BJ McLeod, the 37 of Ryan Preece, the 23 of Bubba Wallace, and the 1 of Kurt Busch. Here they come. Preece out to the early lead. It looks like it's going to be an easy win for the 37. McLeod and Kurt Busch collide. The 37 is moving on. Next up is the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 33 of Austin Cindric, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, and the 4 of Kevin Harvick. Here they come. Cindric and Hamlin. Hamlin now out to the lead, but he's going into the wall. He's going to give the win to the 5 of Kyle Larson. Next up is the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the 16 of AJ Allmendinger, the 17 of Chris Buescher, and the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. DiBenedetto is out front, trying to hold off Buescher. The 21 spinning toward the wall. 17's going to win in a huge crash. DiBenedetto over the wall, comes across the line in second. Here they come toward the wall, and another look at this. No surprise that it was Ricky Stenhouse that turned DiBenedetto over. I didn't even know cars could get enough air to flip over the wall. Here comes the catch fence. Next up is the 22 of Joey Logano, the 15 of James Davison, the 6 of Ryan Newman, and the 00 of Quin Houff. Here they come. They're all nose to nose, tail to tail for the lead. Quin Houff is getting turned. Logano's into the wall. The 00 is going to win and flip as he dug into the carpet. Next up is the 24 of William Byron, the 52 of Josh Bilicki, and the 20 of Christopher Bell. Here they come. Byron falling back. It's going to be a 2-horse race to 52 and 20. Bilicki's heading for the wall. Christopher Bell is going to get the win. Next up is the 53 of Joey Gase, the 9 of Chase Elliott, and the 12 of Ryan Blaney. Here they come. Elliott and Gase neck and neck for the lead. Oh, they're both heading for the wall. Blaney is as well. They all hit the wall. Blaney is going to creep across the line, and the 12 car is going to win. Well, what a note to end round number 1 on. Here are the cars that have advanced to the second round and are one step closer to possibly getting a win. And first up in this round is the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 66 of Timmy Hill, and the 12 of Ryan Blaney. Here they come. Larson and Timmy Hill, neck and neck. They're turning each other. They're both heading into the wall. Blaney's going to pile into it, but he gets through it and crosses the line. Ryan Blaney has just Mickey Moused his way into the Final Four. Next up is the 99 of Daniel Suárez, the 37 of Ryan Preece, and the 17 of Chris Buescher. Here they come. Preece is out to the early lead. Suárez is taking out Buescher. That's going to give the win to the 37 car. Next up is the 14 of Chase Briscoe, the 00 of Quin Houff, and the 42 of Ross Chastain. Here they come. Houff and Chastain neck and neck. Briscoe spinning. Houff and Chastain also heading for the wall. They all wreck, but the 00 crosses the line first. He's going to win. Next up is the 3 of Austin Dillon and the 20 of Christopher Bell. Here they come. They're both neck and neck. And now they're heading for the wall. Austin Dillon is trying to big body Christopher Bell, and it works. Dillon's moving into the Final Four. And with that, the second round is complete. These are the 4 drivers that advanced into the semifinals. And the first of 2 matchups in this round is the 3 of Austin Dillon versus the 12 of Ryan Blaney. Here they come. Dillon out to the early lead. Can he hold on to it, though? He's heading for the wall. He's going to throw it away. Ryan Blaney is into the finals. Next up is the 00 of Quin Houff and the 37 of Ryan Preece. Here they come. Bad start for the 37. The 00 is out in front. Preece is going to get it back here, though. Houff heading for the wall. The 37's into the finals. And now for our third place matchup is the 00 of Quin Houff and the 3 of Austin Dillon. Here they come. Houff is out to the early lead. He's going to hold on to it as Austin Dillon spins into the wall again. The 00 is going to salvage a podium. All right, race 8 is about to close here. Now for the moment of truth. Ryan Blaney in the 12 versus the 37 of Ryan Preece. Here they come. Preece already out to a big lead, and he keeps it straight. Ryan Preece is going to win round number 1. Here they come. Preece can win it right here. He's just got to keep it straight through the transition. He does. Ryan Preece wins Season 1, race number 8.